In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Depop. This process is essential for ensuring smooth and secure transactions on Depop, whether you're a buyer or a seller, and we're going to walk through it step by step, making sure you feel confident and ready by the end of this video. First, you'll want to start by ensuring you have both a PayPal account and a Depop account, as connecting them is essential for secure transactions. If you don't have these accounts yet, it's a good idea to set them up beforehand. Having both apps downloaded on your device is equally important so that you can easily toggle between them throughout this tutorial. Now, open the Depop app on your mobile device and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, look toward the bottom navigation bar. Here, you'll find the profile icon. Go ahead and tap that. You're looking for a seamless interface where you can access your settings, and this is where you start. In the profile section, you'll want to navigate your way to the settings gear icon situated in the top right corner. The settings section houses different management options available to you. Here you'll be able to customize and control various aspects of your account. Tap on Settings to access more options. This is your control center for all things related to your account. In Settings, you should see an option labeled Selling. Click on it. The Selling tab is crucial because it includes all the necessary tools and settings needed to set up and manage your selling preferences, including how you connect your payment options this time with PayPal. Under Selling, you should find the option PayPal Account. When you click on the PayPal account, you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. This is an important step where your PayPal and Depop accounts will sync up with each other. Make sure you have your PayPal login information handy, as you'll need it to complete this connection. You'll be asked to give the necessary permissions for Depop to access your PayPal account. This includes basic transactional authority necessary for buying and selling. Don't worry, it's completely secure. Once you've granted these permissions, you'll see a confirmation indicating that your PayPal account is now successfully linked to your Depop account. Finally, I recommend doing a quick check to make sure everything's working smoothly. Try listing an item or simulating a purchase to see how transactions flow. If everything operates correctly, you're all set. Knowing how to manage connected accounts is a great skill, so well done on getting through these steps today. Remember, connecting PayPal is instrumental in ensuring you get paid directly into your account when you sell an item. It not only makes the selling experience smoother but also builds trust within the Depop community. That's everything you need to know about connecting PayPal to Depop. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!